Yep, this is Kyle in Kerr County again. It's about 10:30 on April 8th. Just had a big old boar come out. Using the DC 1000S. Kind of zoomed in my power a little bit. We're doing about 4 power on a Simmons ATEC 4 to 14, about 44. IR light wasn't quite all the way turned up. That would be max. That was probably about right there, probably half power. I'm going to turn the IR light off. It's about a 100-yard shot, but the clarity on the DC 1000S is substantially better than the standard DC 1000. You can get a lot further distance out of it. Using a a Ruger American Predator 6.5 Creedmoor. And we are turning off video now. Have a good night.